Welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. In this today class, we are discussing KSET General Paper, Unit 9, People, Development and Environment. From 2014 to 2020, whatever question they are asked, that we are discussing. Every year, 5 to 6 questions are must. They will ask. Means 10 to 12 marks are there. Fix if you read previous videos, and in coming videos I am uploading what are the possible questions arising, so that from this series you will get minimum 10 marks guarantee I will give you. Please watch my all videos, and also I did previous aptitude videos, that also you refer. Let's start. In 2014, 6 questions are asked, 12 marks. uh, The warming of Earth due to atmospheric gases is greenhouse effect. Ozone is scientifically represented as O3. Crocodiles prepares to sunbath to elevate body temperature. Biological hotspot refers to spot where environment has reached dangerous level. Who can declare an area to be constituted as national park according to Wildlife Act? State government. Who is the chairman of Pollution Control Board of Karnataka? In 2014, Vamanacharya. In 2020, President Shri Brijesh Kumar, he is a IFS officer. 2015, 6 questions. The study of interaction between organisms and their environment is called ecology. The Comprehensive Wildlife Protection Act come into being in 1972. The movement that spread in Karnataka to protest the tree falling was APICO. The major contaminant of air pollution is oxygen compound. Guys, here oxygen compounds means in compounds having oxygen. Don't confusion with the other answers like nitrogen compounds and sulfur compounds. The major pollutant is oxygen compounds. The cause for red tides in the lakes and seas is due to eutrophication. Means algal blooms, they will on the surface of water they will form, that I will explain in next videos. The noise level are measured in decibels. Decimals in normal talk is 60 decibels. 2016, formal lung diseases is due to moldy hay or moldy sugarcane. An increase in number of size and dust particles air leads to warming because two answers are there. It scatters all kind of light and it absorbs moisture in air. Tsunami occurs due to earthquake generated in a subduction zone. The percentage of solar radiation used in photosynthesis is 1%, but in options they are given wrong. United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction was established in 1999. The extent of land mass vulnerable to earthquake in India is 59%. 2017, humidity in air decreases air temperature. Means humidity and temperature are inversely related. If humidity is more, temperature is low, and vice versa. Who described the dams or filigree centers of development? Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following is false? Modern agriculture increases per capita food production is true, and it makes soil infertile. That is also true. It controls pollution. That also true, but it protects biodiversity is false. Match the following. Silent Valley, Kerala, Apiko, Karnataka, Chipko, Uttar Pradesh, Sardar, it is Gujarat. In question, they have given Madhya Pradesh. That's why it's given Grace. The word ecosystem is coined by A.G. Tansley. The Comprehensive Wildlife Protection Act in India being in the year 1972. 2018. Fly ash means produced by thermal power plants. Care and share policy of the forest applies to JFMCs, means Joint Forest Management Committees. The ecosystem constitutes a systematic link between terrestrial and marine ecosystem is mangrove forest. Project Tiger was launched in the year 1973. Kyoto Protocol is related to climate change, and also you have to see Montreal Protocol is related to ozone layer depletion. In 2020, 5 questions are asked. Nodal agency for UNEP in India, that is Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change, that is MOEFCC. UNEP means United Nations Environment Program. Wildlife Protection Act come into force in 1972. This is 2 times asked. Headquarters of Geological Society of India, Kolkata. The National Disaster Management Authority functions under the Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Which state has a maximum mangrove vegetation in India? That is West Bengal. Guys, from this you have got an idea that from which part they will ask questions. So in coming videos I will discussing in detail what are the possible questions. For that, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as much as possible. In this 15 days you make better use of it. Please subscribe to my channel GPSTR CTT. Thank you friends.